guys. Mathcounts trainer, guys. I'm not gonna wait. I'm gonna start. Sixth term of the geometric sequence is the first term of 3 and the second term of 6. That's gonna be, so the equation is gonna be what am I doing? So it's gonna be negative 8 to the x, right? And then, okay, f of x is equivalent to negative 8 to the x. Frick, I need to do more practice on this. Plus 3. So the first term I need help on this. I'm just gonna do random. I'm so bad at these. I used to be. I knew how to do this, and this is so simple. But like, I forgot how this goes. I'm cooked. Oh, I forgot it was supposed to be like absolute multiply. All right, so it's the first term is a equals 3. All right. You know what? Time to be out the big book. The big book. So geometric 52. I haven't reviewed this in a long time, so yes, this is negative 96. Alright, now we got this one. Circle T has a circumference of 12 pi inches, and the circumference 2 pi r. A is equal to pi squared. Okay, gotta keep that memorized. I need a review. Alright. XY. It's a line. So it's a diameter. This measure of angle T, X, Z. If it was 90, that would be impossible if it was 90. Actually, no, wait. Hold up. If it was over here, it would be 40. If it was here, it would be like 45. Let's see. Oh, I'm cooked in chapter. Chapter round, I'm cooked. I'm gonna bring out the book again. Yeah, alright. I'm bringing out the book. $185. Yeah, I have no idea how to do this. Is it something related to sine? It was a freaking triangle. It was a freaking triangle. I need to think. Oh, let's go. Algebra. Cal's birthday party in 2007 cost $D per person. One over 4, isn't it? And the cost per person doubled, and the number of people attending the party also doubled. Yeah, I think it's just 1 over 4. I'm trying to see if they're trying to trick me or not, by these easy things or not. In a zoo, the ratio of giraffes to apes is 6:5, and the ratio of apes to zebras is 4:1. What I want to do is, I want to... Okay. 24, 5, 10, 15, 20. Right? Then 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 5. I think 5 is the minimum. The 9 regions on a spinner are numbered with positive integers 1 through 9. Okay, I see what's going on. Okay. The 9 regions of a spinner are numbered with positive integers 1 through 9. Okay, so if you add 1, okay, so you're gonna start with 1, or 9, then you're gonna go 3 over 9, you go to 5, what's gonna happen? I don't know what they mean by proportional. Probability that the spinner lands on the region labeled 1x. Bro, I can't do chapter. I can only do... That's so... I don't think... Okay. That's fine. We passed school. It's good. That makes sense. Okay, so first of all, we have 16. We have 4 all the way to... Dude, I learned this like... It was 31. Bruh, for us! Bruh, Samir. Hello, Samir. Samir. Alright, y'all. Alright, alright. Alright. 31 minus 4. No, we have to include 4, so okay, so that just be 31 minus 3, 28. It's 27. I'm gonna punch myself. Alright. Bro, why is it taking forever? Is a human calculating this? This is insanity. Are there people in China with the math counts people trying to with like hundreds of people going through questions and manually checking them? Oh, let's go. Tickets to a concert cost 16 for adults and 13 for children. A group of adults. Okay, so this is I think there's not going to be many collisions in. There's not going to be 52, 78. No, there's not going to be many. There's not going to be any collisions here. So we can do 16x plus 13x is equivalent to 29x, and then we just have to do 29. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, so it's just equal to 6. Alright. Now we just do 6 times 16, which is equivalent to 96. Samir, if you're watching, give me a call. I mean, like, Discord. Like, DM me. Or, what am I saying? Are those, like, bad I've heard, like, from people on my goofy ass school that DMing people, saying DM is bad slang. I don't know. Alright, this is taking forever. I'm gonna go. Aw, man. Phase the number. grab a charger. Oh, I did something wrong. Alright, so we have money. And then we have... Alright, that's something I'm putting in the Notion. It's called the Chinese remainder theorem. Let me put this on food. Rhombus has an area of 108 square units. So if its diagonals have a ratio of 3 to 2. Okay, so I can imagine a rhombus. Then has 108. What does diagonals mean? Get the book out. Why do they call it kites in this book? It's not a kite, it's a rhombus. Okay, let's go. Okay. Never mind. This reminds me of the time. Not the time. My school, my old school used to call them diamonds. So stupid. As well. Alright, so we have 3, 2, okay. 3, 2. What is the length of the longest diagonal in units? I haven't worked with rhombuses. Parallelograms. I didn't have a good teacher last year. I wasn't taught any of this. We were only taught how to do functions for like the whole semester, and then even like led into the next one. I think tomorrow I'll do geometry day. Bro. I also don't know this one. Yeah, I don't understand this one because the diagonals are, isn't it? Get the book out for the third time. I think they'll teach us all this once I get to chapter, if I get to chapter. I gotta keep the confidence. We're going to get to chapter. We just need to work hard. Okay, it's called 176. bad, guys. Alright, so we have A, B, C, D. So I'm just gonna guess this, but we're gonna go 360 divided by 60. So we have 60-degree angles for all of them. So I feel like I can see the missing side here. Okay, regular hexagon. So here, so 60 degrees. So this is just gonna be 6 over here. This one's gonna be 60. And it's always gonna be 6, right? So this one and this one is what I don't know. Has something to do. I have a feeling it has something to do with the sign. Okay, I'm just gonna make that's a 12. If this is a school problem, then I'm cooked. Better learn. Oh, is he back? Okay, time to learn about hexagons now. We have the diameter, the hexagon. That part's easy. See. Come on, give me hexagon. Okay, time to figure this out on my own. So I have an idea, or from the book, that I have to. So I have 6 over here, right? I have 6. Okay, time to Khan Academy this. Okay guys, I have learned the ways of thinking. I have learned the way from Khan, Sao Khan, and then I just played like five seconds or 1 minute of the video. He wrote it down, he showed us, and then I got the idea that all of them are equally 60, 60, 60. So this is equilateral, and this means that all of them are going to be 6, 6, 6. So to find the radius, well, first off, to find the height, so we know the area of a triangle is 1/2. You can see my, so it's 1/2 BH, right? And that is equivalent to, I don't know, so I'm gonna first substitute 1/2 6, and then the height is gonna be the unknown, is equivalent to, what is the area of the triangle? I shall learn again, but this time with equilateral triangles. Okay guys, I have learned for the third time, but this time, just because I'm not in a hassle. Actually, let's go hexagon and stuff like radius. Look up equal for regular hexagon. Remember, all of the triangles it is made up of are equilateral, and you can use the formula of the area of it. So if we're right, one side is going to be 6, that's going to be around 15.59. I have made mistake in thinking that all of them are 60-degree angles. One of them is actually 30-degree angles, so it's actually a 30. Yes, you get the gist. I may be even more stupid than I thought. I haven't watched the full video. I have learned the ways of the master Sao Han, and now I have less than 1 day left to maintain my streak. So let me just finish that up real quick. Alright guys, so I have done I have done day 4. I want to get to an hour of study. No, anyways, it's almost been an hour of study, so let's get to that final stretch. Let's pull up the paper. Let's do those last few questions. Joshua will draw blue marble at random from a bag containing yellow marbles and blue marbles. Is 2 of 3. 14. This is so easy. So we have 14 of the marbles are yellow. 14. Then there's going to be 21. So it's a ratio. Blue makes up for 1/3 of it. It's just... Okay. I have a feeling they're trying to trick me. Alright. See if my posture is amazing. Alright. My posture is not good at all. did it. Oh, it's a blue marble. Alright, I got scammed. I got scammed out of my eye scammed me. My eye scammed me. I can't make this mistake. Alright. If I get the next question right, I'll leave the live stream. If not, then I will keep on doing it. Alright, fresh new side of the paper. Okay, a squared plus b plus 1. Alright, that was pretty easy. Okay. Okay, so it's just 36 plus 5 plus 1. Easy. I need to drink more water. Alright, this one's pretty easy, so if I get it correct, I'm just gonna move on to the next one and see if it's harder. That's what I get for being in school level. That was so easy. I'll just move on. 1% of 20 is 23. What percent of 10 is 11.5? Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna like move on to the next 5 ones. Alright, next one. Alright. What is the sum of the first 4 positive perfect cubes? Does 1 count? Is 1 counted as a perfect cube? Oh, okay. So we have... Okay. I didn't look at the list. Alright. So we have 1, 2, 4, 8, 3, 9, 81. No, 27. I think, is that cubic? I'm not sure. That's not cubic. Extra, they should do x. I think it's extra power. X to the power of x. No, that was a recursive. All right, never mind. 4, 16, 64. 64 plus 27 equals. Actually, let's see if I can pair stuff up. So we can turn this into 9 plus 7 plus 64, which is equivalent to, because odd odd, we can do 36 plus 64, which is equal to 100. Nice. Okay, now that I did chapter, the school level feels easy. I think I've just developed a strategy, or that was not developed. When I used to do Fortnite, I would hear, start building slowly, then do build fast, so that when you build at medium speed, once you're coming from fast, medium speed feels actually pretty slow. So I think if that applies to maths, do chapter level, do hard problems, really hard problems, and then move to school level, and like it'll feel so much more easier. Gotta. I think what I'll do, you know what? I'm not gonna end the stream. I'm gonna study more. Next. The next 30 minutes? 15? I'll do 15. Don't want to study for too long. I'll take a break, you know? Yes, easy. The sum of two numbers is 12, and the product is 35. So I already know 7 plus 5. What is the positive difference between their number? Is 2. Alright, I'm getting better at fast math, fast counting thing. After this, I'll switch back to chapter. Bro, who's watching? I don't think anyone's watching. I got 3 views yesterday, and I got 12 views today. I think it's because of I accidentally categorized mine into gaming last time. I've never bothered to change it, but I think it might be useful now that I've seen the effects. So yes, now I got this. Easy. I wonder if I can do it algebraically. I think I can. It's pretty easy. We did. Alright, so the answer was x plus y equals 12. X, y equals 35. So what if I just did x plus y equals x minus y? Sorry, x times y. Do I have a history for the questions? I'll look back at the stream. I don't really care. Okay, let's go. Chapter. Let's go. The set of all solutions to the system greater than the absolute value of x. So that means, or equal to, so that just means the top half. The area of the region is going to be 5, less than 5. How can I type this in? Or do I just have to put it in a number? Alright, so if it's greater than or equal to negative, absolute value of x, let me graph this out. Let's go. Time to Desmos. Okay, y is greater than or equal to abs of x, right? So we get this, and it all depends on what x position or x part of it you can, So if you go over here, this is going to be 5, so it's going to be less than. So it's a triangle, and that's the area. Okay. Now I see what's going on. Okay, so what I can do is, so the area is going to be what? 12 base height, right? With Pythagorean theorem, we should get. Okay, so the base of the triangle. I don't know if y'all can hear. Okay, so the base of the triangle is going to be, if it's going up 5, it's going to be going across 10 because it's absolute value, right? So it's going to be 1 half of 10. Okay, so it's just 25. Is it 25? What just happened? Alright, I'm just going to reload, Hopefully I get this, but it should be 25. Alright, finally loaded. Let's go. Alright, let's set it to 25. Set it to 25. And now we wait eternity. There's so many problems with this trainer. I mean, it's a good trainer, but it just takes too long. Like, I'd rather be doing book questions and be finished with it rather than this. I mean, I do have that, but like, this one has all of the levels. I have an idea of what I can get. And when it works, when it's fast, it's good. Bro, it's taking so long. Oh, finally. Yes, sir. Alright, let's go. 375% um 8 of 30. So what I think I might do is find a number. Okay. So if it's 30, it's not okay. Thank God it's not anything divided. Alright. So okay, so we have 16. Let me get my paper. Let me get my paper up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is there's 16, right? Divided by 60. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 100 divided by or 10 divided by 6 to get 160 divided by that's not gonna do anything. I just realized that that's not good. I have to do 10 divided by 6 for both of them. So 16 times 10 divided by 6 number 6. Oh, it's including thirds. I'm sorry, man. I get freaked out when it's thirds. Alright, while this is loading, let's see if we can actually solve it. 8 divided by 30 times 375 of 100. Pretty easy, I think. I think we could do this. You know what? Let's just switch it over to Desmos so we can't cheat, you know? So we can reduce this to 25 and reduce this to 2. $375, $750 divided by 25 times 375, 750. So it's just 1. I feel like Corden Hong. Okay. At least I got it right, but I gave up. I should never give up on questions with thirds. Alright. Quintavious adds the numbers 1 through 6. 1 through n. If Grisabella's son. Alright. You know what? Q adds the numbers 1 through 6. While G adds the numbers 1 through n. If okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. I'm gonna get a sense of what it looks like, what it is. Okay, so I'm gonna use that as a denominator. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 5 plus 6. I should probably find values for these. Okay, this is 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. 21, 21. Okay, now we just have to go on to 7. Okay, what's 5 times 21? It's gonna be 105, right? But since we have the 21 over here, we can actually just make that 84. What numbers add to 84? 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12. Okay, so we got 12 plus 8 equals 20. 11 plus 9. 11 plus 9 equals 20. 10 plus 7 equals 17. We need to go 13. 20. 20. 40. 60. 20. 40. 60. 70. 14. I think it's 14. I don't want to press the button, so I'm just gonna go 21 plus 84 divided by, okay, never mind, I think it's 14. Yes, sir. Okay, so the sum of the first k integers is k plus 1. Oh right, it was this thing. And x plus 1 divided by 2. Though I don't really know how this works, so I'm just gonna try and, get my brain to think about it here. Okay, so 6 11 integers. Bruh, it's a quadratic? It turns into a quadratic. Alright, never mind. Alright, 5 more minutes of studying. Just 5 more minutes, and then we'll hit 1 hour and 30 minutes, which is good. 1 hour and 30 minutes of study. Should stop doing that. I'm becoming hard and Hong. I'm gonna, not cheat Roblox or cheat math or cheat doors or. This is the ratio of the number of the positive divisors of 24. So divisors of 24 include 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Divided by, and let's just pretend that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 divided by, let's go. 1, not divided by, what am I saying? Alright, let's go. Let's just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. I think it's, no, it's not 8. 9, 12, 18, 19, 20, 24. There's got to be some sort of trick for this. I'll just say that. Once we get to the halfway point, we can't go further. That's the rule, I'm pretty sure. So it's just got to be 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 to 9. Okay, next time, if AOPS is online is this slow, then I'm gonna extend it from 1 hour and 30 minutes to like 2 hours to make up for all of the lagging. Alright, we did it. Hold up, let's go. Yeah, buddy. Whoa. Alright, let's go. Last one. Huan? Juan? How to pronounce? I don't know. I think it's this. Okay, I was right. I didn't want to mess up there. Alright. Juan played a game in which he could score either 11. He could score either 11 or 16 points on each turn. Juan scored exactly 170 points. How many turns did Juan take? Okay, so I think for this one, let me get my webcam up. Okay, so I think for this one it's going to be 27x equals 175. That makes no sense. Why did I come up with that? That was extremely stupid. I will... Okay, 16 x plus 11y equals 175. So there was something about this, what was it called? It was called the Chinese remainder theorem. So I will learn. I think it's trial and error last time they did it. So let's go back to my paper and let's try trial and error. Let's not trial. Let's see how many times we can multiply 16 before we get a multiple of 11. So we can do 16 times, let's make a rough guess, and I'm gonna guess that if we do 16 times 16, it's gonna be 256. So if we do 16 times 8, it's gonna be 128. Let's try 16 times 8 equals 128. 175 minus 128 is equal to, let's see, 175 minus 130 is equal to 45. Okay, so we have 47. Nope, that was not it. 9 equals 16. Wait, hold on. Alright, we're on the last, sorry. 128 plus 16 equals 140. 144. I think. I may be stupid. 16 but times 9 is 144. Yes, sorry. Let's go back here. And 144 minus 175 minus 144 is equal to 1. Hey, look at that. That's not it. Okay, now it's best to look at the difference here, which is just 16. Let's try adding 16 to this one, and we can get 63. That's not it. Let's try subtracting 31 from here, or 16, which is equal to 11, 6. I know, this is not the fastest way. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna... Alright, we've hit 130 minutes. Now, this is it. The next question I complete on chapter is going to be the end of the stream. Man, I was so close. Oh, that makes so much sense. Just keep on subtracting until it's a multiple of 11. I'm incredibly surprised. That's all I will say here. each edge length of a rectangular solid is a prime. Let's get the camera up for one last time. Each edge length of a rectangular solid is prime number. The volume of the, okay, so this is rectangular solid, right? So it's gonna be only two prime numbers. It's gonna be P, and let's just say R. I don't know. Okay, so let's list out each factor we can put in here. 385. No, it's 300. 385. It's not gonna hit 90, so 3 is not an option. But we can go for 5. I forgot this. Wait, I forgot. Is 1 classified as a... If it's a Google search, that means... Okay. Okay, greater than 1. Alright, right. So, 5 is a prime number. But the real question is, does it multiply? Or does it... 385 divided by 5 is 77. So therefore, that is not right. So next one is, we can do, I've seen 7 actually, but I have a feeling it's going to do 55, 385 divided by 7. Okay, it did 55. Can you do 9? 385 divided by 9? No. 11. 13. 15. Not 15. 17. 19. Not first inspires. I don't know this one, I'll just skip it. OMG, OMG, prime factorization. I just... Alright. I learned prime factorization, I just don't know when to use it. So 7 times 11 plus 11.5. Surface area. Wait, it's a rectangular solid. That means it was a 3-dimensional object. It doesn't matter. A ball bounces up 2/3 of the height from it falls. If the ball is dropped from a height of 243 centimeters. I've seen this number before. Okay, 8, 16, 24. Okay, so it's just gonna be, I think it's just gonna be 81. So 2 equals 16, 2. One 62. Okay, so it's just 2/3 power of x is equal to should be less than equal to, actually no, it would be just less than 30. Stop it. Alright, so we can divide this by 243. So let's put this into simple terms. 30 divided by 240, which is equals 324, equal to 1, 8. It's got to be less than 1/8 times 2/3, which is just 27. 16 divided by 81. 0.125, right? And then a 0.125. Okay, I think we have to do one more here. We have to go down to 32. Oh, so it was a root of 3 all along. It was I think it's quartic, quadruple root. Okay, so 1, 1, wait, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bounces. I haven't learned logarithm or logarithm formula. Alright, next one. Dude, what are these big numbers? Okay, cone in a cylinder of equal height and half length. I give up, bro. What are these questions? I don't know any of them. I need to review geometry. I need to review all of that. Alright, I'm reviewing the stream and seeing what I was stuck on, and I'm gonna study for it. There you go.